My name's Andrew Smyth and I am a future aircraft researcher at Rolls-Royce, and I'm delighted to say I've been selected to be the chef on board the STARRSHIP mission. I'm amazingly excited to be part of the mission. I've been chosen because of my combination of skills in engineering, because I help analyse and do trades on new mission aircraft, and also I was on the Great British Bake-Off last year. So using those two skills combined, my role here at Air and Space Command and also on board the STARRSHIP is going to be making sure the crew are well fed, monitoring nutrition, and also coming up with some recipes that are going to be suitable for microgravity. I'm thrilled to be part of this mission. Make sure you come and join us on starship.space, and I need to crack on with some preparation here at Air and Space Command. Come and join us.